Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi guys, welcome to Cantonese Weekly Words. In this video, we're going to talk about flavors. 味道 flavors. 甜 is sweet. 我鍾意食甜嘢。我鍾意食甜嘢。I like eating sweet food. 酸 sour. 檸檬好酸。Lemons are sour. 檸檬好酸。苦 is bitter. 我細個唔鍾意食苦瓜。I wouldn't eat bitter melon when I was younger. 辣 I like eating spicy food. 我鍾意食辣嘢。So if you like eating spicy food, you can tell people that. 我鍾意食辣嘢。Deep is like a tannic flavor. Spinach and the tannin in tea and some red wine is deep. In a sentence, 呢隻酒太澀，我唔鍾意。This wine is too tannic, which I don't like. So that's it for today. Today we talked about flavors, 味道. And I'll see you next time in other Cantonese videos. I'm Olivia. Bye! Hi everyone! Welcome to Cantonese Top Words. Upon request, a lot of you request that we're making a list for 10 Hong Kong foods. Let's see if any of your favorite foods is in the list. Let's start. Yum yum yum. First word is 蝦餃 shrimp dumpling. 蝦餃係點心嘅一種. Shrimp dumpling is a kind of dim sum. It's steamed in a rice, glutinous rice skin. Oh, it's so good. I want some right now. 魚蛋 fish ball. 魚蛋. So they are fish balls. If you're walking on the street in Hong Kong and you see people selling fish balls, you can just say, oh, 俾串魚蛋我. Give me one skewer of fish ball. Usually that's like 4 or 5 fish balls on one skewer. Oh, 咖喱魚蛋. You can ask for 咖喱魚蛋 curry fish balls. Those are really good. 唔該俾串咖喱魚蛋我. Please give me a skewer of curry fish ball. 燒賣 pork dumplings. 燒賣 is also a kind of dim sum and it's steamed in one of those bamboo dim sum boxes. Sometimes they have more choices than pork. Sometimes they have scallop or shrimp, even abalone in the dumpling. 唔該俾籠燒賣我. Please give me one order of the steamed dumpling. 一籠 is the measure word for those bamboo cases for dim sum. So 一籠燒賣, one bamboo case of steamed dumpling. Usually there are like 3 or 4 inside. So it's best for sharing. 叉燒包 barbecue pork bun. That's my favorite. There's actually a baked barbecue pork bun that is super delicious and very famous in Hong Kong. Try it if you can. 叉燒 is barbecue pork and put it in a bun. 叉燒包 bao is bun. 呢度嘅叉燒包好出名，你一定要試啊! The barbecue pork bun here is very famous. You've got to try it. 蛋撻 egg tart. 蛋撻 egg tart. Ooh, one of my favorite. Whenever I'm traveling, I would crave for egg tart. It's a pastry with kind of like a custard baked inside the pastry. It's best to eat it warm or hot. It's kind of like a warm custard. Oh, so good. I want some now. Also, the other version is Portuguese egg tart. 葡撻 po is for Portuguese. Those are really good too. A bit sweeter than the normal egg tart. 邊度可以買蛋撻? Where can I buy egg tarts? That's a tough question whenever I go traveling. 雞蛋仔 egg waffle. They actually look like bubble wraps, like big versions of bubble wraps about this big, and a whole bunch of them. And they're like waffles, so crunchy on the outside, soft in the inside. When I was in high school, there's an old man selling 雞蛋仔 outside my school. He's like the most popular guy on the street. 好想食阿伯整嘅雞蛋仔. I want to eat the egg waffles that old man made. That is like the best ever. 燒鵝 roasted goose. Siu ngor is a kind of the barbecue meats in Hong Kong that's very famous. Very oily but crispy. Sometimes we eat it with rice, sometimes with noodles, sometimes we wrap it in a bun. Many ways to eat it. Oh, I want some now. Siu ngor is very delicious. Try it. So there is actually an area in Hong Kong that has 2 or 3 very famous roast goose restaurant. It's called Sam Jang. So Sam Jang Siu ngor 好出名. The Sam Jang roast goose are very popular. I have been there. It's a bit similar to what they have in other area, but it's always nice to try. Yin wo bird's nest. That's like swallow bird's nest. Not sure if you've heard of it, but it's supposed to be really good for the skin, for ladies. It has a lot of collagen, estrogen, vitamins, minerals, whatever. 椰汁燕窩 bird's nest cooked in coconut milk. That's a very popular Hong Kong dessert. 我識整椰汁燕窩. I know how to make bird's nest in coconut milk. Come try it sometimes, but you have to buy the bird's nest. I don't have any at home, and those are very expensive. Next is 葱油餅, green onion pancake. That's like the Chinese version of naan, of tortilla. I don't know. It's made with green onion and oil. Sometimes they put other kinds of onion in there too. It's good to go with strong flavor stew. 我鍾意食上海鋪嘅葱油餅. I like the green onion pancakes from Shanghainese cuisine. So there are many types of green onion pancakes, and the kind that the Shanghainese made are my favorite. 菠蘿包, pineapple bun. 菠蘿 is pineapple, 包 is bun, pineapple bun, but there is no pineapple in the pineapple bun. I know that in Japan they call it melon bun. So Japan is melon, and in Cantonese it's pineapple. And I think in Mexico they call it the seashell bun. It's a sweet bread. Somehow it's very famous in Hong Kong because they serve it with a really thick layer of butter. It's kind of sweet and salty at the same time. Oh, so good. And they're pretty cheap too. So that's it for today. Today we talked about 10 Hong Kong foods. Is there any of those your favorite? Let us know what other Hong Kong food you like. Also leave a comment in the section. I'll help you find all the food you want to try in Hong Kong. Please subscribe and check out the word list on CantoneseClass101.com, and I'll see you next time in other videos. I'm Olivia. Bye!
Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cantonese Weekly Words. Today we are back in my kitchen because we are going to talk about tableware, 餐具, tableware. Here we go. So the first word is 筷子. 筷子, chopstick, 筷子. 喺香港食飯通常用筷子. In Hong Kong, we usually use chopstick for eating. And ever since SARS in 2003, my family picked up the habit of using a public chopstick. We share dishes among everyone. So when we want to take the public food, we use another pair of chopsticks, usually another color, so we won't contaminate the food. So 公筷, kind of like a public chopstick. And the next thing we use in Cantonese food is tonggang, soup spoon. We use this for soup. At least in my family, we have soup every day for dinner, so you will see this in the table for sure. 唔該將個湯羹放上台. Please put the soup spoon on the table. Alright. 湯 is soup and 羹 is spoon, so 湯羹, soup spoon. And the next word is 匙羹. You know, you use this everywhere pretty much. 匙羹 or just 羹, spoon. 我哋用匙羹食咖喱. We use spoon to eat curry. And the next word is 叉. 叉 is funny sound. Fork, 叉, fork, 叉. This is like a normal 叉. And if we have a plastic, and for takeout food, we usually get a plastic fork. So gao is plastic, and cha is fork. So gao cha plastic fork. And in a sentence, 我喺日本買咗隻叉. I bought a fork in Japan. It's so tiny, it's good for eating cake. And the next word is 刀 knife. 用刀叉鋸扒 cutting a stick with fork and knife. So that's it for today. Today we talked about tableware, 餐具. Do you use all of the above 餐具? Let us know in the comment section. So thank you for watching today. Please subscribe to check out more videos like this. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi everyone, welcome to Cantonese Weekly Words. I'm Olivia, and this week's topic is drinks. There are many famous drinks in Hong Kong. The first word is 奶茶. 奶茶 is milk tea. Hong Kong has a very special Hong Kong style milk tea. They just use a lot of tea and add it with condensed milk or evaporated milk sometimes. In a sentence, 奶茶. 香港嘅奶茶好出名. Hong Kong's milk tea is very famous. Next, 鴛鴦. 鴛鴦. 鴛鴦 is a mixture of coffee and milk tea. You should try it sometime. 我去茶餐廳飲鴛鴦. I go to a Hong Kong style restaurant to drink 鴛鴦. Coffee milk tea. In a sentence, 我好鍾意飲鴛鴦. I like drinking coffee milk tea. Next, 檸樂. 檸 is short for 檸檬, lemon, and 樂 is short for Coca-Cola, 可口可樂. So 檸樂 is lemon Coke. In a sentence, 檸樂可以凍飲，亦可以熱飲. You can drink lemon Coke either hot or cold. It's interesting, right? Next, 檸蜜. 檸is short for 檸檬, lemon, and 蜜 is short for 蜜糖, honey. So 檸蜜is lemon in hot water with honey. Yep, it's really good for your throat if you have like scratchy or sore throat. So 我冬天日日都飲熱檸蜜. I drink hot lemon water with honey every day in the winter. Next word is 好立克. 好立克 is Horlicks. I think other country has it as well. Some countries. It's powder made with malt, and you add it with hot milk or hot water and make it into a sweet drink. I used to like it when I was a kid. 我細個嗰陣好鍾意飲好立克. When I was young, I liked to drink Horlicks. So that's it for today. Today we talked about drinks. I'll see you next time at Cantonese Weekly Words. Hello, welcome to Cantonese Weekly Words. I'm Olivia, and we will talk about fruits this week. So this week's topic is fruits. Let's see what our first word is. 香蕉. 香蕉 is banana. Banana. 香蕉 in a sentence. 香蕉好有營養. Banana is full of nutrition. 西瓜. 西瓜 is watermelon. Watermelon, but literally is west melon. 西 means west. 我琴日買咗個好大嘅西瓜，好重啊. I bought a really big watermelon yesterday. It's really heavy. 士多啤梨. 士多啤梨 is strawberry. 士多啤梨 like strawberry. Strawberry. 士多啤梨係我最鍾意嘅生果. Strawberry is my favorite fruit. 菠蘿. 菠蘿 is pineapple. 菠蘿 it sounds funny. 我唔識點樣開個菠蘿. 我唔識點樣切一個菠蘿. I don't know how to cut a pineapple open, and I never tried it. 芒果. 芒果 is mango. Mango. I just had mango yesterday. 我琴日啱啱食完芒果.
cái hôm nay is pretty good. That's it for today. Today we talked about fruits, and I'll see you next time at Cantonese Weekly Words. I'm Olivia. Bye.
Great work. Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description. Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.